Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going out with my family. We are going to the beach. Mommy Simbi, say hi to my vlog.
Hi.
Auntie Jumake, say hi to my vlog. Mommy Pussy, say hi to my vlog. Simbi, touch up Pussy. Jama, say hi to my vlog. Mama Toby, say hi to my vlog.
Hi.
Mai saying hi.
Maisha.
Hi.
To get you through the maze. The dreams are not the same for me. Standing by the shore while you're on the open sea. Cannot take this anymore. There are a lot of voices drowning in the sea. There's too many voices talking back at me. There are a lot of choices waiting to be made. Too many choices making me afraid. Dreams are not the same for me. Standing by the shore while you're on the open sea. Cannot take this anymore. The dreams are not the same for me. Standing by the shore while you're on the open sea. Cannot take this anymore. A certain shade of blue, but always remind me of you. Trying to figure out how I'm supposed to get through.